Hi guys, welcome back to this series of videos on the over-the-wire challenges. We are on Bandit level 10. Um, let's connect. Control-Shift-V to paste, clear our welcome message, print our working directory. Okay, we are the right user in the right file directory. Let's read the brief. The password for the next level is stored in the file data.txt, which contains base64 encoded data. Let's check we've got that file. Let's check the file type, and let's see if we can read it. Okay, amazing. I've done a tiny bit of research on base64 encoding, and one way, if we didn't have this brief, or two ways, to guess at which kind of encoding we were dealing with presented this string would be the equal signs as padding at the end. That's a base64 encoding trait, and the fact that we know the password we're looking for is about this length, and base64 encoding usually extends the length of whatever it encodes. Just a little bit of extra knowledge. If you didn't have this brief, you might be making an educated guess about what you're looking at there. Alright, let's go ahead and assume that because this is base64 encoded, we might be using the base64 command. Let's take a look at the manual for it. Base64 encode or decode data and print to standard output. Amazing, sounds like what we're looking for. We can give it an option and a file as input. Many options. So let's, decode data is usually in these encryption or encoding algorithms. To decode or decrypt is usually -d or -d in long form. Just a note that encoding and encryption are two very separate things. Base64 and other encoding algorithms are designed to protect the integrity of data. That means that it's designed to maybe transmit the data in the case of like a URL or in this case a password, and allow that data to be interpreted by multiple systems. Whereas encryption is designed to protect the security of the data itself, so it might be used in bank transactions and things like that. And you might have heard the terms like symmetric or asymmetric encryption. There are some great videos on. I'm a bit of a nerd about the cryptography side of things, so sorry for this tangent here. There's some great videos on asymmetric encryption on YouTube by Simply Explained, and also the RSA algorithm by Tom Rocks Maths. He actually does the entire RSA algorithm by hand on a blackboard in front of you, and it's super cool to figure out how that's actually functioning at a base level using prime numbers and stuff. Anyway, I'm on a massive tangent right now. This command shouldn't be that hard. It's base64 -decode, and then we pass it our file, our data.txt. And there's our password. Control-Shift-C to copy, exit to sever our connection, and I'll see you in the next one.